So first of all, we'll create our file to create AWS resources. Touch AWS underscore
Resources.
AWS create underscore resources. Okay. .sh. So we'll now into it nano AWS underscore create underscore resources .sh. Okay. So we just come down to where we'll have our create file for create. So we have to create file. Just like I said, we'll follow the scripting procedure. Have your bin bash, the authors, which is you and I, the date, which is today, AWS resource creation. So this is the instruction, the condition. If it fails, it should. If anything, he said. Okay,
But ChatGPT was asking to remove it.
no, not. So when the condition is fulfilled, when this condition is fulfilled, so you now start creating. Echo. So we have a region here, region where we want the resources to be
Yeah,
created.
go.
So name of the bucket and name of the IAM user. I want to create an IAM user. I also want to create an RODS too. So these are the names. We've given them names already. These are the names.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this AMI, we've created the AMI already. Created the AMI via. So we just created an AMI from here and added to it. So just copy the AMI and replace with the. Just replace it here. So Control V. And the key too. The key. We have a key that we created while we're creating our EC2. Created a key and we're using a T3 micro. Yeah, the type of instance. We're using a T3 micro. And if everything is successful, EC2 will be created. And for S3 bucket, we have S3 bucket, we have IAM user, and we have IAM user access key, and RODS too. RODS. We have a name for our RODS as MySQL server. So we also want to use a MySQL for our server as our database. So I'm just going to copy it and paste it here. I'll paste it here. So paste it here. I'm going to save and exit. Then we're going to execute the file. We're going to execute the file bash AWS underscore create underscore resources .sh. So if our condition is fulfilled, so our resources is creating S3 bucket, and okay, let's start from EC2. EC2 is created, S3 bucket is created. So IAM user also created too. Now for our RODS, we're using T3 micro for RODS, MySQL server, and then I think that's all. That's all. We've created our resources. So I'm just going to exit. Let me exit and our next task is to list resources. We want to check resources that we created. So Control A, we want to check the resources that we created. Want to check it. So we're going to also create a file. Okay, let me just create it as nano list underscore AWS underscore resources .sh. Okay, so we'll just paste it. I'm going to paste it. Okay, let's go and copy again. So these are scripts to list our resources. EC2 describe describe instance. So we want to see this instance in the form of table. What instance we have in form of table. S3 bucket, AWS, S3LS. For IAM, we're using AWS IAM list users. We want to see the inputs as table too. So everything we want to see them on a table. It should be on a table. Yeah, so that's it. So we just go and paste the file. And we save. Now we're going to access the file now. We're going to execute the file. List underscore AWS underscore resources .sh. So we're going to list it now. So it's listing. This is the first one we created that got terminated. So we have one that is running. We have a running EC2. So it's just listing any EC2, either terminated or still running. So this one is running. This is our what's it called? Our S3 bucket. So let's wait for our IAM user and RODS to be created. Let's wait for a while. So our AWS list resources complete. Resources list is complete. So we have our bucket, we have our IAM user, and we have our RODS. So the next task, which is our third task, we've performed 3 tasks already. We perform 3 tasks. Sorry, 2 tasks already. Third one is to delete. Nano. If you want to create a file, remove underscore AWS underscore resources .sh. So we open. So we'll go to our VS Code where we'll have the file that we've worked on already. So this is a file. This is a script we are going to execute. Used to execute the cleaning up. Want to clean up or delete. So we are going to copy the instance. We are going to copy the ID. We're going to copy it. So I'm going to go back, copy the running ID for the instance. For the running instance, I'm going to just copy it and I'll replace it here. Yeah, I replaced it here. Okay, so I think that's all. So I'm just going to copy it, and so I have my name here already. I've added the names already, the names of the bucket, the name of the bucket, the name of the IAM user, and the name of the RDS too. So I have them here already. So when the file spins through, when it goes through the account, when it finds any of the listed username or ID, it should delete all of them. It should remove all of them. So that's the instruction. So I'll just come down here and go back, enter, paste. So I'm just going to paste the script. So I'm going to save it and execute the script. So I'm going to execute the script. Is deleting the MySQL. Is deleting it. Is deleting it. RDS. It's terminating EC2. Let's check for EC2. EC2. Check for EC2. For EC2. So let's check for the instances. For instances. Okay, so it terminated. You can see it's terminated. Removed everything. Terminate EC2. RDS. It's an RDS doesn't, so we remove RDS already. Bucket, S3 bucket. We also emptying and delete it. We also delete as what's it called to access key. Remove the users also. So let's go and check again if we'll find them. So these are our S3 buckets. Supposed to have deleted by now. Let me just refresh it. So we're emptying the S3 bucket. No, we've removed it. IAM user. Let's check for IAM. Let's check for IAM users. Let's check for IAM users. So we've also removed IAM user too.
Yeah.
So successfully. Now check. We run this script. So you can see now. Terminated. Yeah. S3 bucket. IAM user. So we don't have any of them again. Let's wait for RDS. RDS relational data so out soon. So we don't have any of them again. So our three listing task has been done. We're done. So for that first and second, we want to push it to GitHub Repository. The first thing that we'll do, create a new repo. We'll create a new repo. We'll just give it AWS create underscore list underscore delete underscore resources, because it's 3. We did 3 tasks.
Yeah.
So I'll make it public because I can share the script with you. I will just share it with you. I'll make it public. Okay, let's just create it. Create repository. So you know, I'm just going to follow this method, this procedure. I'm just going to follow it. So first of all, you go to your VS Code. You bring up your terminal. You can bring it up from here, or you can open it from here. You can just go and just come here and new terminal. So new terminal. I'll just drag it. I'm going to use bash. I'll go to bash, git bash. So the first thing that I want to do now is to git init, initialize. So git init. So initialize. So the next one we do is git add dot. Remember, Abby? Git add dot.
Yeah, I remember.
So yeah. So the next one we do git commit. What are we committing? Git commit. It's going to be what you are committing will be in bracket. AWS underscore create underscore list underscore delete. Let me just say delete. That's all. Let me just commit this. AWS resources. Why is it? So I'm just going to enter. Okay, so it has worked. So the next thing I want to do now You just go to change to main. Change to main. From master to main. Master to main. Let me clear. It's becoming. Okay, so next thing I want, let's copy this one too. You'll see that it's very easy. So we're almost done. Then the last one, I want to push it now. So push it. Oh, I think it's going to ask for authentication. So we're successful in pushing it. So successfully pushed it. This is it. So we successfully pushed it. This is it here. This is the readme, and these are the files. These are the files. So I think we have successfully completed our task. All right.